Hello guys! In this video, we're going to talk about Pinterest SEO, optimize your pins for maximum reach. But before we begin, please hit that like button to show us your support and help our videos reach more people. Now let's get started. Are your Pinterest pins optimized for maximum reach? Pinterest SEO is important for maximizing the pins in your profile to generate more organic traffic from the platform. The ranking factors on Pinterest are related to engagement metrics and social shares of pins. The more people save your pins, the more it will rank in the search results. Pinterest determines the pin quality by its popularity and how many engagements it generates. For example, your pins get more shares into other people's Pinterest board as well. Then Pinterest will learn that your pins are interesting and are relevant to more users. Also, their algorithm will see that you have high quality pins. You should be actively sharing pins. As more people save your pins on their profile and are engaging on your pins, Pinterest will see that you're actively sharing pins that are popular. Keyword research. Pinterest curates the user's feed based on what they search for on the platform and how the terms are used in pins that are shared by content creators. Make sure you include the right keywords to add in your pin's title and description to make it more searchable on the platform. As people search for the specific term and you include it on your title or description, there's a higher chance that the user will discover your pin. You have to make it a goal to show Pinterest that your pins fit to your audience interest. Look for terms that associate to your industry. Use long-tail keywords since they are more specific and it's more likely to rank on Pinterest. Use Pinterest's search engine. Type in a keyword and you can view more suggested terms that help you with your search. You can take note of these terms. Use these terms and add them to your pin's title or description. If you add these keywords, it is more likely to be discovered by people who are using these keywords to search for pins. Next, optimize your Pinterest boards. Create different boards for different themes. It helps people discover your boards when they search for this topic. Boards allow an opportunity to tell Pinterest how you categorize your pins, which is great for visibility of your pins. Name your boards that describe what your pins are in that board. Include keywords in your board name, description, and in the description of each photo that you pin. Optimize your pin's title. Your pin's title should entice people to click on your pin. It is one of the most important factors to consider to help your pin rank on Pinterest. You have to get the connection of your business with the needs or interests of your potential customers or target market. Think of a title that solves the user's problem. It should solve their struggles so that it can attract them to click on your pin and be redirected to your website. So that's it for today's video. But before the video ends, here's something you shouldn't miss. If you need to turn every prospect into a client using hyper-personalization on Facebook, LinkedIn, emails, and landing pages, we have a marketing app that can help you get more replies, conversions, and sales from every message you send. It's called Selli. You can personalize image messages for LinkedIn prospecting and personalize image messages for Facebook marketing. Direct outreach is the simplest way to win new clients and grow your business. First, find leads using social sites, directories, and search engines. Create a prospect list of your best customers. Next, collect contact data for your reach out. Choose the right reach out strategy. Select the right channel for your client and market. Then send your message. Reach out and start turning leads into customers. So try Selli now. Go to the URL getselli.in. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.